Alright, what's up YouTube? Just got my block back from the machine shop. Got all the piston holes honed out, so everything's clean. We're about to drop the crank. I finally got the crank back. It's all cleaned up. They didn't, luckily they didn't have to grind it. They just make sure everything was all good on there and cleaned it. And so yeah, we're about to drop the crank in and put the pistons in and have the bottom ready for the head, and that should be about it. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. But yep.
You didn't find those feeling gauges, huh?
There is some. Piston cap, all the rings put on them.
Wristbands, rods.
Wristbands, all the little seats that go inside of them. And now we're just trying to put the crank in the motor and all the bearings, and the bottom end should be all done. No. So right now we're just putting in the main bearings, and we're gonna set the crank right on top with some assembly lube, and it should be all good.
Engine assembly lube. Oh shit.
So right now we're just putting that engine assembly lube on, just so it doesn't get that first dry start, mess everything up.
No dry start in here.
Yeah. I didn't know that stuff was that thick. I thought it was more watery.
It's almost like that. You know, remember that STP they used to have?
Yeah.
Real thick. Yeah, it's just
because if it was liquid, it wouldn't stay up
just
there.
To grab the bearing. Yeah.
All right, time to drop the crank in. It's not even gonna fit, is it?
Maybe if I put it in the right spot.
Oh.
Grab that back spot. My fingers are stuck in there. There we go. Let's see, shit. Alright. Get these top ones on there. We're changing those. We got new ones, right?
Oh yeah. Hopefully.
Think so.